Introducing the Ratchet Belt by Luxe, a resizable belt that will adjust to your perfect fit. Step 1. Locate the clasp on the back of the belt and lift the clasp to remove the leather strap from the buckle. Next, find your waist size to determine the ideal length for your belt before cutting. Then, use a pair of scissors to cut the belt to your size. Be sure to cut at least one size larger than your normal waist size to allow for adjustments. You can always trim off more if needed. After cutting the belt to your desired size, reinsert the buckle by securely clamping it onto the freshly cut end. Make sure the clamp is tightly fastened to ensure the buckle stays in place during use. Start by threading the belt through the loop of your pants. Once in place, insert the tip of the belt into the buckle. You'll hear a clicking sound as the ratchet system allows for precise adjustments. The teeth of our ratchet belt are a crucial part of its design and functionality. These tiny grooves allow for the belt's precise adjustability. To remove the belt, locate the lever underneath the buckle. Lift the lever and slide the belt out of the buckle.